In the previous video, we have introduced Camel Designer. Now let's create a Camel application. First, you will need to install Modelio 4.1.0. You should choose the installer depending on your OS, and this should be quite quick installation. Then we should download the Camel Designer module. So you should choose the latest and just download the gem.doc file. Okay, now once you have it, you should open the Modelio that you have just downloaded. You should create a new project. So just go to File, click on it, then create a project. Let's say tutorial project, and you can add a simple description and create your project. Once we have created our project, we should enable Camel Designer through this project. So click on Configuration, Modules Catalog, add a module to the catalog, and here you should add your downloaded gem.doc file. Okay, so we have the Camel Designer 1.0.16. Close it and go back to Configuration, Modules, Add, and choose from the Modules catalog your Camel Designer and deploy it in the project. Great. So now we have Camel Designer deployed into the project. You should go to your project name, ML, model, right-click, and here you have this nice option, which is Camel Designer. Create element, create camel model. Let's make it bigger. Okay, so here you have a very nice palette of camel submodels. Now it's time to design our camel application. The Camel Designer tool provides a palette of camel components. So here you have different models, and so to create, for example, a deployment model, you should just drag and drop or just click, and it will create your deployment type model. Great. So in this tutorial, we will describe in details 3 of the most important models, which are the deployment model, and then the requirement model, and finally the metric model. Sorry. So we will follow this order in order to simplify the process, and that's it. So in the next video, we will describe each model in details. You can find the links in the description of the video of Modelio open source downloading page, the Camel Designer wiki, and the Camel Designer releases.